In the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where can I find the apples?
The apples are in aisle 4, next to the bananas.
Thank you. And where is the milk?
The milk is in the back of the store, in the dairy section.
Do you have brown bread?
Yes, we do. It's in aisle 2.
How much is this bread?
It's $3.50.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Do you have a big bag?
Yes, we have big and small bags.
One big bag, please.
Is that all for you today?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $15.20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please take your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
On the bus.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is this bus going to the city center?
Yes, it is. I am going there too.
Good. This is my first time on this bus.
Don't worry. It's easy.
How much is the bus ticket?
It's $2. You pay the driver.
Thank you. Do you know where Oak Street is?
Yes, I get off the bus there.
Perfect. Can you tell me when we get there?
Of course. I can tell you.
That is very kind. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Are you new in the city?
Yes, I am new here. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Do you work in the city?
Yes, I work in an office on Oak Street.
That's great. I am looking for a job.
Good luck. I hope you find a good job.
Thank you. Oh, is this Oak Street?
Yes, it is. We are here. This is your stop.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, David. Have a nice day.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Bye.
First day at work.
Good morning. My name is Sarah. I'm new here.
Good morning, Sarah. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
Welcome to the office. Let me show you your desk.
Thank you. This is a nice office.
Yes, it is. Your desk is here.
Great. Who is my manager?
Mrs. Davis is your manager. She is very nice.
Okay. Where is her office?
Her office is over there, next to the meeting room.
Thank you. What time is our lunch break?
Lunch break is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
Where do people usually eat lunch?
Many people eat in the cafeteria. It's on the first floor.
That's good to know. Do I have a computer?
Yes, you have a computer. It's on your desk.
Okay. What is my first task?
Please read this document first. It's about our company.
Okay, I will read it. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome. Please ask me if you have any questions.
Where is the restroom?
The restroom is down the hall on the right.
And where can I get water?
There is a water cooler near the restroom.
Thank you for all your help.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
Okay, I will start my work now.
Good. Have a great first day, Sarah.
Thank you, Mark. See you later.
See you.
At the train station.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I want to go to Boston. Is this the right station?
Yes, it is. The train to Boston is from this station.
Thank you. Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the counter over there.
Okay. How much is a ticket to Boston?
I think it is about $50.
Thank you. What time is the next train?
The next train is at 11:30.
Oh, that's in 20 minutes.
Yes, you have time.
Which platform is the train to Boston?
It is platform 5.
How do I get to platform 5?
Go down the stairs and turn right.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Is there a restroom here?
Yes, the restroom is near the ticket counter.
And is there a coffee shop?
Yes, there is a small coffee shop next to the restroom.
Perfect. Thank you again.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
On the street.
Good morning. Could you help me, please?
Good morning. Of course, I'll try to help.
I'm looking for the post office. Is it far from here?
No, it's quite close. Just about 5 minutes away.
That's great. Which way should I go?
Walk straight ahead until the big supermarket.
Until the supermarket. Okay.
Then cross the street and turn left.
Left after crossing.
Yes, you'll see a blue building. The post office is next to it.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
No trouble at all. Happy to help.
I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too. Take care.
In the park.
Hello. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is very nice today.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every day for a walk.
Me too. I like to walk near the lake.
Oh, the lake is very pretty.
What is your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
Is that your dog?
Yes, this is my dog, Buster.
He is very cute. How old is he?
He is 3 years old.
Do you always bring him to the park?
Yes, he loves to run here.
Look, he is playing with a ball.
Yes, he likes that ball very much.
Oh no, the ball is in the water.
It's okay. He can swim.
You are right. He is a good swimmer.
Yes, he is. He is coming back with the ball.
That's great. Well, I need to go now.
Okay, Mike. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too, Emma. See you again.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
In the clothing store.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a jacket.
What size do you need?
Size medium, please.
Here are our medium jackets.
Thank you. I like this black one.
Good choice. It's very warm.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the changing room is there.
It fits well.
It looks nice on you.
How much is it?
It's $50.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. You can pay at the counter over there.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
I will. Goodbye.
At the pharmacy.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I have a headache. Do you have something for it?
Yes, we do. We have these tablets. They are very good.
Thank you. How many can I take?
You can take 2 tablets with water.
Okay. And do you have something for a sore throat?
Yes, we have this syrup. It helps a lot.
How much is the syrup?
The syrup is $8.
And the tablets?
The tablets are $5.
Okay, I will take both.
Do you need anything else?
Yes. Do you have toothpaste?
Yes, the toothpaste is in aisle 3.
Can you show me where?
Yes, follow me. Here it is.
Thank you. I need a small one, please.
This one is $3.
Perfect. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, your total is $16.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Good evening. What is your name, please?
My name is David Miller.
Thank you. Yes, I see your reservation. For 3 nights?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Can I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the hotel?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is in your room.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
And what is the checkout time?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Is my room on this floor?
Your room is on the 3rd floor, room 305. Here is your key.
How do I get to the 3rd floor?
The elevator is over there, next to the reception.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, there is a small gym on the 2nd floor.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Miller.
At the cafe.
Hello.
Hi, a table for one?
Yes, please.
Please sit here.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here you are.
What do you recommend?
The coffee and the cheesecake are very good.
Okay. I would like 1 coffee, please.
Sure. Hot coffee?
Yes, hot coffee. And 1 piece of cheesecake.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay. Your order will be ready soon.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's over there, near the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The cheesecake is delicious.
I'm happy you like it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. Here you are.
Thank you. Please sign here.
All done. Thank you for the good service.
Thank you. Come again soon.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
If you enjoyed practicing English with us, please like and subscribe to the Englishify channel. Thank you.